Are we moving towards autocracy from our great democracy? Because whatever the provisions of our democratic fabric, the constitutional fabric, they are being trampled upon. And it is a matter of great regret that we've been slowly losing our democracy in the form of disregard to the opposition, disregard to the demands of the people of the country, disregard to the constitutional provisions. You see, first, the bills are being passed without being discussed. They are being passed in dins. And very minimum time is being given for discussion or dissent. Within 8 days in Rajya Sabha and 6 days in Lok Sabha, 25 bills have been passed with 10 minutes or less time.
21 together.
And 21
minutes together.
Minutes we have done this, and there is absolutely disregard to the people, the honorable members, when we are asking for time for. There is an instance when an honorable member in Lok Sabha stood up in the seat, maintaining on protocol, and asked for division. Asking for division is a democratic right. It was not granted, the house was adjourned just day before yesterday. So this kind of autocratic behavior we've never seen in the nation. Not only this government is slowly moving towards ordinances. And we have seen that, in the first 30 years, there were only one ordinance to 10 bills after independence. In the next 30 years, there were 2 ordinances for 10 bills. But from the 16th Lok Sabha onwards, the average has been 3.5 ordinances or more. This time there has been 3.7 ordinances, and it appears that the House, when in session, has the main function of giving veto on those ordinances, just pass them as bills. Then why call the session at all? Why have the parliament in session at all? Why have the democratic norm at all?